Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Gemini has camera and storage permission. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Gemini and tap the lens icon. This immediately activates visual recognition. Make sure to select Live Scan if you need real-time results or Import Photo to analyze an existing image. Adjust permission prompts now so you can continue without pausing. This step gets you into the tool quickly and ensures the app can access the image data it needs to identify objects, text, or places. You now capture and configure the scan for best accuracy. Frame the subject clearly, use the grid and tap to focus. Sharp images yield better results. Next, choose the lens mode that matches your goal. Text for OCR, shopping for product matches, translate for foreign text, or identify for plants and landmarks. Then adjust exposure, pinch to zoom, or crop the area to exclude background noise. These choices reduce false matches and speed up Gemini's inference, so you get precise suggestions and actions. You finish by reviewing Gemini's results and taking action. Tap Recognize Text to copy or translate, tap Product Cards to compare prices, or follow links for more details. If the output is off, refine it, rescan from a different angle, switch lens modes, or crop again to isolate the subject. If things still go wrong, check lighting, grant camera permissions, or import a higher resolution photo. These fixes solve most issues. Finally, give feedback inside Gemini to improve future recognition accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.